Okay, we're back at the lathe. Take this collet out. Put the 1/4 inch collet in. Oops. Alright, what did I do with my part? Lay it down over here. Plus I should put a chamfer around the end of it. This calls out. Alright, chamfer tool. Sitting up here. Here it is. Here it is. Pretty good size chamfer on that. Goes just about down to the hole. That looks good. Now, part off blade. I think I'll use the narrow part off blade. The narrow one is only 50, I think. Yep. The narrow blade is 50 thou. Why can I never remember that? Turn that so I can pick up the end and touch. That's got to go up. Right there. Touch. A chip or something under it. There we go. 50. And then the length of those are supposed to be 275 thou long. 1, 2, 50, 60, 70. 5, and I think I'm going to go and give myself about 10 thou to face off to clean up the back. I'll lock her down. There we go. One. Let's do the other side. I need pliers to pull that out. Too short. Oh, telemarketer. Should have chamfered that. Got a burr on that. Don't want to go in. Where's my file out? Should have got that burr off of there. Make it a little easier to slide it into the second side. Come on. There we go. her down. Chamfer. Chamfer first. Part off blade. Up. Pick up the end. Turn it a little bit in the shot. That's 50. And then, what did I say, 100 or 275? Yep, 275. 1, 2, 50, 60, 75. And I'm going to give it a 10. Alright. Let's deburr that. So when I come to use that material, I won't have to fight it. Alright. Let's see if we can pull it out. Come on. Well, I got plier marks in it now. A bunch of plier marks in it. Oh well. Hopefully when I use it the next time it won't matter. Now let's see what the overall length is first here. What I ended up with. So I can clean it up to the right length. 285. Supposed to be 275, so that's what it left. That was pretty good. Alright. I just need to face off 10. I do have a facing tool. Okay, 10 thou. Get out of the way. Now, 256. I'm not sure what size drill that is. That is supposed to be a number 50. Number 50. Center drill. Wow. He thinks it's supper time. And he won't quit now until he gets fed. And this is supposed to go I can just go right through to hit the slot. That ain't gonna hurt nothing. the screw, I just can't have a long screw in there, because if I put a long screw in there, it'll hit the rod, or the connecting rod. That's fine. Now we'll get a 256 tap. .256 tab. Hurdle taps. And it's also bought from Enco. You could buy the El Cheapos from China, or you could buy Hurdle, or you could buy, there was several different brands that you could buy from them, and I always bought the Hurdle taps. They seem to work pretty good. But like I say, that's a thing of the past now. I wish I would have ordered like 10 spares of everything. Yeah, hindsight's 2020. Yeah. All right, run some Molly D on that tap. I do have extras of these, but not many. This screw will go through the piston into this, and then I'll end up Loctiting that one. Okay, it's all the way through. I felt the slot. Okay, lay that aside. See if I can pull this out. I did get my air compressor drained. So get the moisture out of it. And I hit the slot with the file a little bit. Okay. I don't want that, so just sticking out. Oh, I should have seen. I'm just going to assume that it's 10 thou, because I cut them both the same. So I'm going to just assume that that's what it is. So I'm going to come up, touch, and then take 10 thou. You know what happens when you assume something? Yeah, I do. Put enough Molly V on it. I won't yet. Put that in the drill chuck. I clamp them up like that so that I can put this in the drill chuck as a guide. And I don't clamp the drill chuck down tight on it. I just you know, just so it touches. Guides the tap, keeps me from wobbling and breaking it off. Hopefully. Okay, I think I feel the slot. Thunk. Thunk. Okay. Back out. Okay. And put that tap away. All right. So those parts are done. What do I want to do next? Piston, right? Oh, shoot. Dropped it. Alright, so I'm going to line up the drawing for the piston, round that up, and round up material. And I think I'm making the piston, I think I'm going to make the piston out of graphite. I'm going to make it out of graphite, so we'll see. I could make it out of aluminum, but then aluminum will heat up and swell in there in the cylinder and lock up. The graphite won't do that. On hot air engines and stuff like that, I like to use graphite. I've got I don't know how many rods. It's Paco. Anyway, it's a fine electrode graphite meant for electrodes. I found a website, a company that will sell you just a single rod of whatever you want and sells it to you pretty damn cheap. So I ended up buying a bunch. I bought 1 inch and 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch and I think 3/8. So I'm going to lay these aside, and when we come back we'll be ready. I'm going to have to clean up the aluminum and we'll be ready to turn up some graphite.